Hello traders, today is 2nd of December 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the results. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside 4-hour analysis with a live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We had amazing volatility today, beautiful trades today. As you can see on the left hand side, the euro pound, this was the up channels developed. We explained to trader look for, because based on the momentum at that time you can see the momentum was bullish. We explained to trader look for the breakout, high probability to break out, look for the long breakout which price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit or tight your stop loss on the break even. That was a beautiful breakout long trade on euro pound. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the beautiful trade because this analysis, all the analysis, most of the London morning analysis is done. And as soon as the price was at this level, I mean, explain to trader, look for safest trade for look for the just after the London Open. As you can see, the analysis was like 7:37 just before London Open, and we wait. As soon as the London price reverse, we announced to like take a short trade as soon as the price gonna break the previous low, because at the bottom the momentum was developed bearish. So we had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we announced another one pullback short trade on pound dollar. Same thing, pound Swiss franc. We announced, as mentioned on the analysis, the first priority look for the pullback. As we explained to our trader, look, the price has developed a double top at the resistance level and take a short trade, and afterwards we announced another pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. Beautiful short trades. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the beautiful pullback short trade after the breakout. And the euro yen, this was the counter short trade. As explained to traders, the price was at the major resistance level, so beautiful counter short trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bank some profit on euro yen. Pound dollar, beautiful pullback short trade after the breakout based on the momentum. And euro USD, this was the counter short trade. As we explained, the price explained to trader, look, the price has developed a triple top, and you can see here 3 touch, and safest trade would be the breakout of this one because the price was at overbought zone, and this was another counter short trade, and price nicely hit to the support level in which we announced to bank some profit. Dollar yen, beautiful breakout short trade. And pound Swiss franc, we already had this trade, and afterwards we announced, look, this is the area we're going to price respect as explained to the analysis. As you can see, the price nicely hit this level, and beautiful pullback short trade. We also did another analysis later on. Beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc, dollar CAD, pretty straightforward counter long trade. And pound yen, again we had a beautiful breakout short trade as explained to the trader. Look at to the 200 EMA, we announced the price has developed another bearish flag pattern which priced nicely. You can see here beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another pattern which we announced through live ID commentary. Beautiful breakout based on the momentum. Beautiful pullback short trades, breakout and pullback short trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, price develop another sideways market. Beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we announced another pullback. You can see here the price nicely develop a double top at the resistance level, which we announced. As you look at the momentum was bearish, and beautiful breakout short trade on pound breakout and the pullback short trade on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. This was again a breakout, beautiful breakout long trade and pullback long trade. Euro Swiss franc, this was another beautiful breakout short trade. And dollar Swiss franc, as mentioned on the analysis, look for this breakout based on the momentum. First priority, beautiful breakout short trade. And pound Swiss franc, this was again as a flag pattern, bearish flag pattern. Price came down, and we already had this pullback short trade. As soon as we see there's another pattern is developed, we broadcast information instantly. As you can see, based on the momentum, if you look at bearish momentum and beautiful breakout, afterwards beautiful pullback short trade which we announced through live audio commentary. Beautiful nice trade on pound Swiss franc today. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was again another small short trade based on the momentum. And based on the analysis, dollar euro USD, which we announced to look for another breakout because the price we reversed, and we have explained to traders that we have very strong bullishness on euro USD. The safest trade would be to look for if the price gonna come out from this consolidation, which price nicely broken above the previous high, which we announced. Look at the momentum and beautiful in 4 hour when the price hit that target, and that's why we announced traders to look for bank some profit, which is I can explain to you here. You can see as soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. So we're watching in both 4 hour and intraday system. Based on that, we did analysis and beautiful long trade on euro USD. And euro pound, pretty straightforward pullback long trade. Pound dollar Swiss franc, this was again a counter, uh, as we explained to our traders, beautiful pullback at the counter long trade. As soon as the price hit to the orange EMA, we announced to consider tightening the stop loss, because this is the counter trade. Counter trade anything, as soon as we see something rejection, we just get out. But again, this was the beautiful counter long trade on dollar Swiss franc. Pound yen, this one again, price develop another pattern. Beautiful breakout based on the momentum. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target. Pound Swiss franc again, we were watching in 4 hour. Based on that, we announced another breakout long trade. As you can see, our first target was at this level, which price nicely hit. Let me show you the pound Swiss franc 4 hour analysis. You can see that was the target. Price nicely hit it because we were watching in 4 hour. At that time, the price was at this level. So you can see beautiful, and we just explained target would be the 200 EMA in 4 hour. Beautiful counter long trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar again, we were watching again in 4 hour. Based on that, we did this in another analysis. You can see the price nicely respected the support level. At that time, price developed another pattern, which we explained to traders look for this breakout. Price nicely broke on, and we announced after that momentum bullish. All pullbacks, you can see beautiful pullback long trade after that, and price nicely hit to the final target, which is the 200 EMA on pound dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training. If you are struggling in forex, most welcome, join our platform and see all that analysis in real time and develop your trading skill in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to love to bank all that pips alongside with our professional trader. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.